Human Resource Management. What is HRM? It is the strategic and administrative function in an organization that focuses on managing people, the employees. HRM is responsible for ensuring that a company has the right people with the right skills in the right roles and that they are motivated, productive, and aligned with the company's goals. In simple words, it is simply an idea of how to best manage the people in the interest of an organization. Key functions of HRM are as follows. 1. Recruitment and selection means finding and hiring the best talent for the organization. 2. Training and development means enhancing employee skills, knowledge, and performance. 3. Performance management means evaluating and improving employee performance. 4. Compensation and benefits means managing salaries, incentives, bonuses, and benefits. 5. Employee relations means handling disputes, maintaining morale, and ensuring a positive work environment. 6. Compliance means ensuring adherence to labor laws and employment regulations. 7. Workforce planning means forecasting future HR needs and planning accordingly. 8. Health and safety means promoting workplace safety and employee well-being. These are the main functions that Human Resource Department perform in every organization, perform to carry out their department functions role of HR in an organization.